and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. So it seemed like you guys liked my unboxing, so I thought I'd do another one. I guess I'm not the only one that loves unboxing. I love seeing people unbox stuff, not just like luxury stuff. It could be, you know, what else do you unbox anyways?
Food.
You can't be stop talking. If I keep on looking right over here, by the way, because my fiance is there, every time I record he just wants to be in it. He's so clingy, my gosh. My goodness. So anyways guys, let's not make this any longer. By the way, just want to, do you guys ever follow Foxy LV on Instagram? She mentioned that there's gonna be a price increase at Louis Vuitton this Monday. So if you're trying to get your hands on something, make sure to get it before Monday, otherwise the price is gonna go up high. All right, let's get started. Guys, this is my second video of 2020. Give me a pat. You know, give me a pat. I'm trying to be consistent, you know, this year, unlike last year. You know, I was gone for like a couple of months, but this year is gonna be our year, guys. This is gonna be our year. Let's put it out there. All right, let's get started on the unboxing. Guys, I already unboxed this one. I've been using this for almost a month. I mean, like here and there for about a month, but I didn't unbox it with you guys, so I thought I'll just unbox it again. When I unboxed this on my when I unboxed this by myself, I was sad, you know, you guys weren't there, so I thought I'd do an unboxing again. This is what the box looks like. It's so big, I don't know how to do this, guys. So it comes with the ribbon as usual, and then the magnetic box. Oh, and there she is. Oh my gosh, it's so heavy. You guys already seen this on the thumbnail, what I'm gonna be unboxing. So don't act shocked like you don't know what I'm unboxing, okay? And it comes in this dust bag, the drawstring dust bag. Voila! You have the giant monogram on both sides, but this is the darker color, and the other side you get the lighter color, and you get the smaller logos on each side, and then on the bottom you get half and half, like chow mein and fried rice, you know, half and half. And the inside, I have an organizer. I got this on Amazon, by the way. This one is really helpful because did you see how deep this bag is? Like if you stuff so much things in there, you're just gonna lose it. So I decided to get an organizer. This one is from Amazon. This just has a lot of compartment, and you have the zipper on the middle, and yeah, and it's also gonna keep your, you know, your bag in shape. So let's show you what the inside looks like. You have 3 compartments here. You have the zipper compartment right there, and you have 2 more right over here. Oops, I wonder if you guys can see right there. And you can also close this bag because it has that like clasp. I don't know if I showed you guys, but since this doesn't have a zipper, this is quite helpful. It's not gonna secure your bag, but you know, it kind of helps it a little bit. So guys, I've seen a lot of people use this bag as a daily tote, like a daily bag, but it's not for me. I tried using it as my everyday bag, but it's so huge. I'm so used to using a smaller bag, and I felt like when I was using this, I was bumping on a lot of things. So I mean, I mainly bought this because I plan on traveling more. Hopefully, you know, we go somewhere this 2020. I'm gonna put it out there, guys. Put it out there for me. I want to go to Korea, I want to go to Japan, I want to go to Paris, I want to go everywhere, guys, wherever you are from. So, and what's nice about this is it comes with the extra, you know, extra handle, yeah. I mean, no, extra strap or a strap. So you can use it like that, or you can just do it handheld. You know, that's what I love about this. And yeah, this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Or I feel like it's, when I use this, by the way, like every day, it felt a bit obnoxious because it's so huge. I mean, I have a fat face already, but oh my goodness, look at that. You can just imagine. Also, I believe they are coming out with the MM size. That one is perfect for every day. But as far as this goes, this thing is ginormous. It's gigantic. So I would recommend using this if you're gonna go out of town or out of the country, maybe, you know. But it's, I just really like the design. I like, you know, how soft the canvas is. And yeah, this is what she looks like. One more close-up for you guys. Alrighty, so, oh, I dropped it. Alrighty, so I know you guys are wondering how I got this bag for half the price. So one day I decided I wanted to use my Speedy bag. So I took it out of the closet and, you know, took it out of the dust bag, and I saw that there was some crackings on my zipper. So I actually casually just mentioned it to my mom. Hello mom, if you are watching. I keep on looking at the screen. Sorry, please don't get bothered. But anyways, you know, I casually mentioned it to her, and she basically recommended that I go to the boutique and have it checked out because, you know, Louis Vuitton is really good with their customer service. So one day I said, you know, let's stop by Louis Vuitton. You know, I've been looking for a multi-pochette or a nano speedy. Maybe they have it, which the nano speedy is just impossible to find. You know, I spoke to the SACA. I mean, you guys already know, same. So I spoke to someone and mentioned that, you know, my bag was cracking. I've had this bag for 5 years, by the way. I've used it a lot during the first year, but after that, the second year, third year, it's just been sitting in my closet inside a dust bag. So I, you know, told the CA that I have other bags that are from Louis Vuitton and a lot older than this, and it never cracked. So I don't know what happened, you know, like I'm quite, you know, heartbroken that this happened. But I went in there really not expecting anything. I just want to see what I can do, you know, if I can repair it, pay whatever needs to be paid, and that's it. So the CA was kind enough, you know, to tell me that, oh, you know what, you know, we can send it out and have it checked and see what we can do about it. And if, you know, if they tell us it's wear and tear, then there's nothing they can do about it. So long story short, my fiance just all of a sudden asked like, oh, do you happen to have any nano speedy or, you know, multi-pochette? At the time, you know, I was looking for it and it was on my wish list. And then the lady was like, you know, that's a lot of people want it, it's sold out at the moment. And then all of a sudden she goes, you know what, let me go talk to my manager and see what we can do with your speedy. So she came back a few minutes later, and she told me that I can exchange my bag for the same price or greater the value. And I was like, did I just hear that right? Did I hear that correctly? I was like super surprised that she said that, to be honest with you.
I think we were all shocked that she said that.
Yeah, I was like, so you mean I'm gonna get a brand new bag?
I know.
I felt like I was cheating or something, because I've had it for 5 years. So I really didn't believe it. So, you know, I mean, I didn't want to keep on asking because she might just change her mind and be like, you know what, forget this deal, get the hell out. So I just said, I talked to my mom. My mom was with me at the time. I was, oh, and my fiance was there too. I was, well, duh, my fiance was there. I just told you the story. But I was, you know, talking to them and like asking them, what should I get? You know, should I get the Speedy bag? Because I really love the Speedy bag, especially for an everyday bag, you know. It fits a lot. It's just something that you can throw on at, like, fast. Classic, yes, exactly. So, but I was afraid that that's gonna happen again. You know, she specifically mentioned that if I do exchange it, that it's gonna be final sale. So I want to make sure that the bag that I'm getting is something that I'm not gonna really have a problem with. I've been eyeing this bag for quite a while now, maybe like a few months. So I decided to, you know, check it out. I asked, you know, another CA. I was like, oh, can you check out the on-the-go bag? I'm actually thinking of, you know, getting either the Speedy again or this on-the-go bag. He actually said a really good point that if I want this bag, I should just get this bag because this is a limited edition bag, because the Speedy bag is gonna be there whenever I want it. I've been debating whether I should buy the Never Full bag, but you know, being a Filipina girl, everyone has that bag. You know, your aunt has it, your mom has it, your grandma has it, your aunt's aunt has it. So I decided I'm just gonna go with this one. At least it's limited edition, even though a lot of people have this bag, not like your aunt's aunts will have it, you know. But I'm, like I said, I mainly bought this because I plan on traveling more and I think this is gonna be useful. But as far as like for everyday, guys, I don't think so. Like it's too much, it's too big. But I know they are coming out with the smaller one. I think that one would be perfect as an everyday bag, but not this size because it's huge. It's so big. So I guess that's it for our video. I tried to make it short this time because the last video I had to like make it shorter. It was like about 20 minutes, but then I'm not partnered with YouTube yet. So if you guys subscribe to me, pretty soon I can make 20-minute video for you guys, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, an hour. But as of right now, it's gonna be less than 15 minutes, guys. Alrighty, so that is it for our video today. If you enjoyed this, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And yeah, subscribe please, and put your notification bell on for me. That way you can get notified every time I upload. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Cut.